In this video, we'll discuss how to convert between moles and mass for compounds. In the example, we have 21.4 grams of barium sulfide, and we're trying to convert moles. So that makes this a mass to mole problem. Step 1, write what's given, 21.4 grams of barium sulfide. Step 2, use the correct conversion factor to cancel units. So we have barium sulfide. When we write the molar mass for barium sulfide, we need the mass of barium and the mass of sulfur. Add those together, that gives you the molar mass of barium sulfide. We have grams on top, so we want grams on bottom. So our conversion factor is 1 mole of barium sulfide is equal to 169.386 grams of barium sulfide. Our units cancel. That verified that we were setting this up correctly. And then we need to calculate. Remember, multiply by what's on top, divide by what's on the bottom. So that gives you 21.4 divided by 169.386. So we get a pretty long number, 0.1263386,584. We have 3 sig figs, so we want to round to 3 sig figs. So we would call that 0.126 moles of barium sulfide because that's the only unit left. Next, calculate the mass of 0.150 moles of magnesium oxide. This is a mole to mass problem. We have the moles, we need the mass. We're converting from moles to mass. Write what's given, 0.150 moles of magnesium oxide. And then we need the correct conversion factor. Since we're going moles to mass, we need molar mass. That's the mass of 1 magnesium and 1 oxygen. Add those together, and you get 40.3034 grams of magnesium oxide. So we have moles on top. That means we need moles on bottom. Cancel our units. Looks like we're doing this right. So calculation, multiply by what's on top, divide by what's on the bottom. 0.150 times 40.3034 because that molar mass is on top, so we multiply. You end up with 6.04551, and then because of significant figures, we round to 3 sig figs. That's 6.05 grams of magnesium because grams of magnesium is what's left over, so we have grams of magnesium oxide.